Hello Void, we're back with a new tutorial. How to get your Void in VRchat with the VRM file. Again quick, so pay attention. Let's go. Open the Unity hub. Start a new project. Make sure you use version 2019.4.31 F1. Open a new 3D project. You will need the VRchat SDK and the VRM converter SDK for Unity. Go to import package at asset, custom package, and open the VRchat avatar SDK. Press all and import. Wait till it's completed. This can take up to 2 minutes. Once that is finished, go back to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and then open the VRM Converter SDK. Again, all and import. Wait till it's completed. Make sure your assets folder looks the same as mine, and on the top you have the VRchat SDK menu and the VRMO. Okay, we will start to input the void. Make a new folder. Give it a name. Open the folder. Go to VRMO and click import. Open your VRM file from your void. Save it in the folder that you just created. Okay, here you see our void. Left mouse button and drag it to the left section. You will see it pop up in the scene. Check all the materials. Check if it looks normal. You're happy. Once your check is done, we are ready to duplicate the avatar for VRchat. Go to the VRMO, duplicate and convert for VRchat. Duplicate and convert. Save. You can change the name. You see you have 2 voids now. Press OK. One file has VRchat and the other one is the original. Delete the original. Select it and delete. Select your file for VRchat. Center your camera. Go to view position and click edit. A ball will pop up. Drag it in front of your face. This is the viewpoint in game, so if it's inside your head, you won't see anything. Make sure it's in line with the pupils. Take your time to adjust the camera. Go to side view. Check it again. This looks good. Let's check it one more time from the front. Once you are happy with the result and the ball is in line with your pupils, you go back to the view position and press return. If you are using a full body suit or camera, you're ready to go. You don't need to adjust anything more. Quest users, adjust the jawbone. Go to mode, select jaw flap bone. Below in none, you will drag the bone. The bone you will find on the left side. Drag it in the non-transform. Now it's jaw transform. Below you see a closed and open position. We are going to edit and adjust the open position at 15. Click return when you are finished. Okay, we are done. We are ready to upload to VRchat. Go to VRchat SDK and open the control panel. Log in. Logged in. Go to Builder. Check the errors. If there is any error with audio fix or fix now button where it says select now, you did something wrong. Otherwise, select the build and publish for Windows. Once this is finished, you can give your avatar a name and description. These will be displayed in VRchat. Make sure you check the options below. Sharing, private or public. Mark the checkbox and upload. Okay, we are done. Let's test it in VRchat. Here we go. VRchat is able to be played in VR, but also on desktop with keyboard. This is with keyboard. Go to avatars. Select your void that you just uploaded. Change it to avatar. Here we are in VRchat. Thanks for watching and enjoy.